Hi guys, picked this up in a charity shop today. Looks like it takes two AA batteries in there with some sort of box to slide them in and out, battery box. I've tried just scraping the terminals in there because they look pretty corroded. Nothing happens. So we're going to do a quick teardown, or try. I'm just looking to see if there's any manufacturer's name on it. I can't see one. All right, the screw's right in there. One in there. One in there. In fact, it looks like the screws are in this side. Don't lose it. Oh, different sizes. I hate that. That looks like that's glued down on top. Might have to pull the wheels off. Oh, this is going to be more involved than I was hoping. It does look like that's glued on. Oh, how frustrating. That's glued in place. You don't glue things on like that. What's the game? Ah. Yeah, definitely got to get these wheels off. I know in the past I've ended up having to boil them to soften them. Oh no, that one's coming. Oh, it's come off the other end. Okay. Okay, there's an electric motor. So it is powered. And it does look like the only thing that's holding it on now is that bit on top. Looks like this is going to be a little bit more destructive than I wanted it to be. Well, at least we can see the battery terminals there. Got to get that off. It's going to break. Well, I guess I might be 3D printing a little bit to go on the top there, because that's going to have to come off the hard way. Right, I think we're almost in. Just that one not coming out now. Right, we're in. Oh, there's some bits. There's some bits in there that shouldn't be there. Oh, that does not want to turn. It looks like we can unscrew there and there. We should be able to lift it out. Okay. A good step down gearbox. Gosh, that doesn't really want to turn. There we go. Well, it looks well worn, but looks like all the teeth are there at first glance. Well, there you go. Oh, well, the pinion gear is split. Let's do a close-up of that. You see the split in it. So that's not gripping at all. So if we're going to do anything, we'll have to replace that. We could just try and put a battery. Oh, there's a wire that's fallen off. That's the back of the, that'd be the negative. Whether that's just fallen off because I've been moving it or whether it had come loose anyway, don't really know. But we could try and put some power onto the motor direct and see if it actually runs. It does look like it's pretty corroded on there. Oh, yeah. That's not going to spin. Okay, I think we'll stop there because I'm going to have to take the motor apart. That's seized up in there. I might be able to just spray it with some lubricant. Oh, these red wires are all breaking off. Because they go on up to the LEDs or whatever they are. They might not be LEDs if it's old enough. Yeah, this is going to take a little bit more work. So we'll leave it for now, being as it's midnight. And we might have another look tomorrow. Well, I was going to go to bed, but I've tried spraying some oil on this and connecting battery directly to the brushes here, and no luck. So I'm just going to open it up so we can have a look. So I think we're going to have to replace this motor, or at least the brushes. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but the brushes don't exist. Or at least they do. They're glued around here. Glued, corroded. I might just be able to replace the brushes, or at least the end cap, if I've got another motor the same size. But that will definitely be tomorrow, or later today as it is now. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.